myself without you with me. Love is like a riddle. Love for me is in the middle. Hello po, Ate Divine. Grabe, magbigay ng gift. Maraming salamat po. Actually, ang dependent, hindi pa po namin natapos. But, promise na madami pong makaka-relate sa song na dependent, lalong-lalo na po sa crazy, sa mga may karelasyon, gano'n. So, abang-abangan nyo na lang mga next na magaganap. Iso-surprise ko na lang kayo sa susunod. Sige. Ting-ning. Ting-ting. I used to think that I wasn't fun enough. And I used to think that I wasn't fun. And I used to think that I wasn't wild enough. But I don't waste my time trying to figure out why you playing games, what this all about. And I can't believe you hurting me. I met your girl, what a difference. What you see in her, you ain't seen in me. But I guess it was all just make believe. Oh, love, never know what I was missing. But I know once we start kissing, I found love. Never know what I was missing. But I know once we start kissing. Tapos na. Tut 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 tut. Lahat tayo mayroong pagkakaiba. Sa mata pa lang ay makikita na iba't ibang kagustuhan, ngunit isang patutunguhan. Gabay at pagmamahal ang hanap mo, pagbibigay ng halaga sa iyo, nais mong ipakilala sino ka man talaga. Pinoy, ikaw Pinoy. Ipakita sa mundo kung ano ang kaya mo. Iba't ibang Pinoy, huwag kang matatakot. Pag malaki mo, Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo. Teng neng 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 neng. Ing anak rag yung kinabuhi, dapat na kang masanay. Wala rin mahitabo kung pirming makisabay. Pag-ilalim ka ugaling mo, bisagin sa mahitabo ni mo. Ang pirmi mo, huna-hunaon, kayang-kayang mabuhay. Inay, ikaw ay Pinoy, ipakita sa mundo. So guys, it's time for me to leave. To leave. And thank you so much sa mga nagbigay kay Mami Divine Grace at kay Ate Jello Marie. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And hope to see you soon kay Tin. Maraming salamat kay Zach Lavain. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat. I love you so much. Maraming salamat po, and sana magkita na tayo. I hope to see you soon. And I miss you, and salamat sa mga nanood ng aking live. Let's live mamaya na lang. And magchikahan tayo, and marami tayong mga pag-uusap.